Now we're going to demonstrate the power of LinkedIn business lead generation. This is really applying more toward the commercial solar installing companies. You want to talk to decision makers. You want to talk to decision makers that want solar on their roof. So here we're just going to take a quick look. If we just look at CEO in the United States, there's 2.4 million results. It's probably a little broad. If you wanted to look at CEOs in just California, you have 504 results. Let's look at what other options we have here. This one here is CEO United States, but we've put in a company headcount of 50 to 200 people. So we're looking for a little bit bigger facility, 253 results. That's 1,000. And what do we have here? We have CEO United States. That's still a 2.4. We'll take the United States out of there. We'll just go for we'll put it back in. We'll put the United States in there, and then we want a head count. We're looking for significantly bigger ones now. We're going to go for the 500 to 1,000. And we've got plenty of other choices. We have 84,000 decision makers that are approachable via LinkedIn. We've bypassed the gatekeepers. You're going directly to these people. Here's another example. Say you want to try to get in with some sort of schools or colleges or that type of thing. You can have a facilities manager would be a good title to be searching for. You want some sort of head count. We could just go with, again, work with these all higher levels. And just with this one here, you've got 173 people that you could contact. These are all prime candidates for making a tie, making a relationship with, and then pursuing a sale of a solar installation on their facility. But here's the thing, it's a pain. So what we do for you is we send out approximately 75 LinkedIn connection requests 5 days a week. And the goal is to generate anywhere between 10 and 20 leads for you. And this is about a 3-step process where the initial connection request is sent out in a non-spammy way, just offering something of value and making the connection. Anyone that accepts there gets a second follow-up, and then anyone that responds to that gets a third follow-up. And at that point in time, they're probably a lead that is ready to talk to you. So we're in 2019, and this is the time when the 30% tax credit is running out. This is the year to sell solar. And if you want leads, we can get you leads. We can get you 10 to 20 leads per month is our goal. And we're reaching out to 75 people 5 days a week for the whole month. If you're interested in this type of service, you're interested in getting this kind of leads, then give us a shout and we'll schedule a strategy session and talk about how to do this.